Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining so early. Uh, I don't know whether it's wise to wait until 4:45 or to just do some little bit of analysis and then continue along. Not sure what to be suitable, but then I feel like taking this heads on. Okay, today we have a pretty nice setup. You can see what I just deleted. That is actually what I have forming around already. So today some people, of course, I got in here, but then I got in here when price was dancing around. I felt like it's better I wait for my streaming time. Then I got out somewhere, made little profit, and the moment I closed, all these things happened up to 63 pips. But then it's okay. It's not a loss already. It's not a loss yet, okay? Because we have a long day ahead of us from now until perhaps 30 minutes after NYSE open. It's actually a very long time. So let's see if we can actually make up for some of the opportunities we've lost today. It's been a fantastic opportunity with Euro USD. Actually, since morning I've been observing it. Okay, imagine getting in here. I mean, I saw this happening. This is okay. I don't care about this. This is okay. But what I missed is this setup. I didn't miss it actually. I got it, but then I fidgeted. I got scared and I left the market because I felt like, man, it's better I wait for my trading time, right? So and then this setup is a fantastic setup right there. It's an amazing setup. So if you get to catch this kind of setup, don't ever miss it. Don't ever miss it. Okay, having said that, so look at the outlook for Euro USD now. It's okay for Euro USD to create some drama and exceed this level. It's okay. It is if it actually flows to deceive people. I don't care what it wants to do here. Okay. What I care about now is whatever analysis we have done in the morning. You can see price actually got very close to our TP. Let's just play this back and see what I'm actually talking about. This is our Euro USD ideas. So you can see where price got up to from our signal area. Price broke above, just maybe 2-3 pips away from our target, which is pretty awesome. Okay, it is amazing. It's an amazing thing right there, right? So I think I better remove this now. At this point in time, these things are no longer as valid as they were when I posted them. So it makes sense if I actually adjust them and name it for what they are, which is what this is going to be our buy area. That is, if it's going to happen at all, then this previous buy area becomes actually our sell zone, right? So becomes pretty much our sell zone. That is, do I call it our sell zone or do I just wait for a break of this range 2? I think it makes sense if we wait for a break of range 2. Okay, it's okay. I mean, let's see how this works out. Now that this area is broken, let's see if we can secure actually, if we can see 30 minutes close here and then goes back again, breaks this low after it must have given us a wick here, then we can actually take a trade, a very small trade from this area, from 11. There is 1.01211 to to 008 1.00886, right? So this actually 32 pips. That is an awesome profit to make for one day, right? I mean, before today we don't have it, right? So if you can make it, it's pretty awesome. Okay, so that being said, the plan here is to, I'm just gonna moving forward. I think it's better we draw the plan so that we don't deviate ever again. Okay, this is what we expect to happen. This is going to be our take profit, right? So let's see if this is actually going to happen, and then we take advantage of this, okay, if it's possible. And then of course if we can close partials here, I think it makes sense if we close partials here and see if we can actually get profit get the price, I mean if price can actually get to this second level, which is 1.00433. If it gets to that price, then it makes sense, you know, it becomes fantastic for the day. We're going to be out. But then for those of us who are greedy and wants to make more, you better close up to 90% before you try to target for extended profits. I'm just going to advise. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. We have 3 minutes until candle closure. That's going to actually tell us what is happening here. And then for this trade, I actually got in somewhere here. I felt since this guy broke out of previous week's high and it's forming this crazy setup here, it means we may end up calling this a fake out for price to move all the way down to at least, you know, for price to go and correct all these shabby moves, right? So I feel price may end up dropping up to 11926 area to 1177 11777 area. Okay, I don't know what this is going to be. So this is actually my position. I've got a position open already. I've not even broken even. I've got trade up to 34 pips. I've not broken even, and it makes sense if I respect my trading strategy and actually broke even. So I'm just gonna, you know, close partials, so that because if anything goes wrong, I'm gonna go ahead to blame myself for not closing. All right, so I've closed partials here. Let's see what's actually is going to happen with my with the remaining 50%. By doing this, I'm not really advising anyone to take any position. Okay, I'm not advising anyone to take. You can see I closed partials right there, got in here, close here. Forget about this because this a losing trade I got into. You can see how swift I got in and got out. I mean, it makes sense if you can manage your losses very well. This is why I talked about trade plan. If you are in my Telegram group, you're going to see where something like trade plan was actually, you know, mentioned. If you have a plan, you are going to lose only things as small as this and then gain massively. See, imagine this loss, this very small loss here, and then compare it to the 50% I've closed. You see, I've made up already for this loss. I've made up for this loss right here, right? So, having made my point, let's continue with the analysis. So my target today, which most likely, guys, is going to happen, is for price to correct all these shabby moves, right? It's going to correct all these shabby moves. So for us to just be on a safe side, I better do something. If I'm going to leave a position running, I don't want it to looking at this level, how crazy this level is, right? Can you see this level? It's a very crazy level all across, right? It's a very strong level. Imagine it's extending this line. You're going to see this is a very crazy. So even look at it here, right? It's a crazy level. If price manages to touch 118, then I don't think it will touch 117. Okay, so it makes sense if I actually avoid these guests. This is my guess. I better avoid it by doing what? By moving this extended profit. For those of you, not for me though. If I'm going to leave any trade here, it's going to be about 10%. That's going to run. That is if I'm going to leave any. If I'm going to leave any, I better move my extended profit targets to this area, which is, I could call it smart money area, because price may get down as hell as here, and then smart money market players may come in to play some games with us. Okay, now fantastic. So look at, do not forget what we are doing here. What we do here is what? Plan, we wait, and of course then execute when whatever thing we've planned is happening. So I believe you can see something is about to happen here. I don't know whether this is matured enough, but then it doesn't hurt to try, you know. Seeing the fact that this candle has broken down below a lot of areas here, so it makes sense if we actually place a buy stop below here, just in case this actually materializes. Of course, I'm going to give us a very small stop loss zone where we can hope for price to actually stop when if it's going to actually move. Okay, so after all this drama, right, this actually happened to be a breakout. Just look at it. It actually happened to be a breakout and then a fake out. I mean, confirming this actually is confirming that this is a fake out, but then we needed some confirmation. My mentor will say it makes sense if we actually take trade from range 2 breakout. This is range 1, right? This is range 1. It has broken out of this range, right? So it comes into this range 2. So the breakout from this range 2, that is what my mentor normally trades. So if it's my mentor who is waiting for this trade, he's going to target 31 pips and he's going to go into full risk. But for me, if I want to get in here, I'm going to get in here but with half risk, right? For price to move all the way down. Okay, so if just this way, okay, but then along the way, if I happen to get actually a range 2 breakout, it doesn't it cost me anything to get in an additional full risk here to take advantage of this. You can see we have a very nice, fantastic candle to the left hand side, right? So this is a clean traffic. It's a clean traffic. It's just a one-way movement right here. So that is actually what we hope for today. For Euro USD, let's get this. If we can get this, fine. If we can't, then we leave it and get this. Target for this. We either target for this 1 or we target for this 2. That is gonna be our plan today. Just take note of it, guys. If I'm deviating, please come my attention. Sometimes I tend to deviate because perhaps I'm excited. I'm always excited, right? So let's not let my excitement derail us from our plans today. So this is going to be sell stop. I'm just going to push this to the left so that everybody is aware of what I'm doing right there, right? So this is going to be sell stop. This is just a numeric. I'm just naming the range. So if we can get this price, this candle to flip, then we'll take advantage of this week, steeper week here for price to continue moving down. It's actually very profitable, guys. It's going to be very profitable if it happens. The pair is Euro USD, just for your notice. Okay, so guys, who is on the stream? Can you guys hear me? Am I clear enough? Am I audible? Am I audible? Can you guys indicate who is on the stream? Just mention names. Let's know who is with us today and know whom I'm going home to get from the home today. Let me know. So for NAS these days is just pissing me off. I don't know why. But thank God at least I got to discover Euro USD on how it can actually help our streaming, at least. So let's see how it's helping our ministry per se. If I were here, okay, no, sorry. Okay, so this I may not be able to trust this. Yes, I know it's the same thing is playing out on Euro USD, but Euro USD is quite different from NAS. NAS is just creating confusion and looking for ways to make you hang you up to hang you up and squeeze some cash out of you, right? So if we can actually get in here, if we can actually get in here, I think it makes sense, right? For those of us that has the energy, by energy of course money. For those of us that has the energy, you can just use 60 pip stop loss, or 59 pip stop loss, and target about 155 pips profit, right? So it depends on what you are actually looking for. So but then let's see what this does. How this actually plays out. Let me just put one very interesting alarm here, so that it alerts us, right? When price is about to cross here, it's just gonna alert us, then we can easily open up a trade. So this Euro USD, I'm particularly interested in, seeing what I can make out of this Euro USD. In 10 minutes. So I've got a question, guys. What if this is actually some sort of retest happening here for this area to be retested, and then for smart money guys to take over and push market further? You don't know, because why? If you go to daily time frame, you're going to see daily is already bullish, like straightforward, bullish. But then the reason why I confidently got into this trade is this. Look at this. Should I start here? So look at this lineup. It's awesome, right? Let's say let me leave the other one. It's just standalone. Let me deal with these ones. See, it's pretty awesome, right? So makes sense, right? So I agree that price is actually trying to at least pull back. I mean at least for the sake of that, for the sake of pullback. Okay, so look at this, right? So let's assume that this is actually a triangle happening here, a triangle pattern forming here, right? So that is why I actually have the mind. I had the mind to get in. So, and also looking at 4 hours, you're going to see that we are forming something that is most likely going to be a tweezer, right? So I know some people don't expect me to use the exact terms everyone is using, because people form their terms and they use it, right? So I'm just going to use whatever thing I feel is okay for me. Once you are able to understand it, I'm okay, right? So I think tweezers are likely going to form here, and because in the I don't know, because we still have 1 hour here, right? So tweezers or bearish engulfing, one of them is going to form here, unless of course this high is broken. If this high is broken, then the tweezers is just gone, as good as gone, right? So let's see. 1 hour, yeah, I'm very happy with this 1 hour, by the way. If you don't know, I'm quite happy on our setup, because it all makes sense, right? So by 5 a.m. by 8 a.m. New York time, is it 8 a.m. 9 a.m. sorry. So I expect to see candle that goes back as far as this, and then for price to continue going down. We close partials here and close full here. For those of us who have other agenda, they can actually extend until down here. Okay, so but then if this high is broken, then for NYSE open we can keep going up. Okay, so let's see. This is the plan for NAS. We have the plan for Euro USD already, and we have the plan for NAS. Let's see how this works out. Hello everyone, I can see John Rowley is around here, and Knowledge Builders BK, and BK has a very important feeling about today. I think I feel approximately the same with you. Because this is it's a very common setup. I mean, if you are used to trading, even in Euro USD and everywhere, it's a very common setup for liquidity grab. I mean, it happens always. It happens, right? It happens always. I mean, it's a constant stuff. I mean, no one can stop it, right? So let's see. I think I joined this line this way before. So normally when I get sentiment, I get a little bit of sentiment. Why do we just draw a trend line to just confirm that what I'm saying is not shit, right? So look at this. What I feel that's going to happen here, look at this level. This level is pretty an awesome level, right? So there may be a liquidity grab this way, okay, or it will just come and end here because of this level, right? And then boom, I have a feeling just like BK that price is going to see 0.9901 today, 99901 today. BK, do you have the same feeling? What do you think, BK? I think we feel the same thing. Me and BK, we feel the same thing, guys. What do you think? Let's have a beautiful morning. Yes, guys, let's have a very fantastic morning, of course. The morning is already beautiful. If you lost money today, guys, comment, say hi. Nobody's gonna say that. Just be honest let's be honest with ourselves, guys. If you lost money today, just say hi. I mean, it doesn't stop you from making more money, right? If you lost money today, say hi. Who knows? Maybe the first person to say hi, maybe $500 from me today. Maybe, I don't know. If you lost money, say hi. BK, are you saying how? Are you saying yes, boss, that you are aligned with what I'm saying? So let's see. So you see, whatever thing I had in mind, I think it's gonna come here. Tweezers. Let's look at tweezers and see. Come on, man. Can you respect me for a while? Come on. Yeah, I can see tweezer tops, tweezer bottom. So I have a feeling this is going to end as with tweezer top or tweezer bottom. You can see there's no particular definition. You can see it means it has a lot of shapes. You see? So you see, I mean, nobody's a master of all these things. I mean, it doesn't happen the exact same way. As long as you understand how this thing happens, like it's what to look out for whenever you see a particular shape. Some of them has a wick below, and some of them do not have, right? Mostly what I see here are those ones that have the same high or the same low. See use that out with with bottom wick, right? So makes sense, if we just got, yes, exactly, see this is it. I mean, it's all everywhere, guys. So if you don't know what is tweezers, look at it now. Okay, look at it. What I want is pushing. That's what I want. I want this to keep pushing. Euro USD, this is where I'm gonna make crazy money today if this ever happens, right? If this candle flips, god damn it. This candle, if it flips, the name of it is god damn it, because I'm gonna get in here so hard, see the level I've given for price to get to. Price is actually at that level now. So the question is it going to obey that level and come down for us to scoop some profits, or is it going to just continue going down, invalidating this move down here? Or is it going to behave like my boss BK said? It's going to do some liquidity grab up here and manipulate and then push back. We don't know yet. Let's see. Pushing. NAS, guys, if NAS is pissing you off, can you comment please? NAS is pissing me off. It's pissing me off like full time. Static noise. Whoa, guys. Why would my output be a static goddamn noise? Okay, what about now? Is it okay? Is my mic okay? Please let me know. If my mic is okay, please do let me know. I need to know. If my mic is okay. If you want to make the best out of Forex, candlestick patterns. I think I have a book. Let me see if I have one, and I still have that book on candlestick patterns. Then a bit better. Oh, not even better completely. A bit better now. Guys, please let me know if it is okay. I don't want it to be better. If it's not okay, let me know. I can reset my system. It's okay because I want us to be aligned. Hello, Simeon Conley, welcome. Oh, I think I skipped KJ's comment. KJ, good to have you around. Please, if the mic is okay, let me know. If it's a bit better but not okay, let me know. I mean, I have multiple mics here. I can change it, okay? For Euro USD, something that I actually like about Euro USD right now is this. Let me just remove this for a while. See this? This simply means one thing, okay? Simply means that we're going to see on flip of this, if this flips, okay, that's 103 pips. But this flip would make us to see up to at least, we're seeing the next level. And where's the next level, man? Come on, where's the next level? Nice. Pushing. So this is the next level. So that flipping would make us to see this next level. Okay. That flip is going to push price, pushing onto the next level. I'm pretty sure. Okay. If this dares to flip, price is going to see this next level. I'm pretty sure. Of course, this is just a defined stop loss, right? So if price moves to a certain level, you just need to remove your risk. I'm going to trade this like from weekly candle pair time frame. I'm going to trade this flip from weekly time frame. I'm not scared of it. It's tradable. Okay, my mic is still messing up, so I'm gonna reset the mic. If it's not working still, then I'm gonna change it. Okay, I believe my voice is clear now. So can you repeat entry point for Euro USD? What's the situation with NAS? Oh, my friend, of course we are there. Of course we are there, my friend. Okay, we are there. We are just waiting for positions on NAS as well. Okay, so the situation with NAS is I have a feeling this candle is going to close this way. I just have a feeling, just like my good friend BK. I have a feeling this candle is going to close this way. If it closes this way, the break of this candle is going to make us to at least sell to recover to make some, to scoop some profits here. Okay, and then if it breaks upwards, I'm not going to take any decision. I mean, I'm not going to take any move, make any move at all until it breaks above 12152.14. That is when I'm actually going to make a move if it's going up. Okay, my only buy entry is from here, is from 12152. Okay, my sell entry is 120.79. That's my sell entry. Okay, so if it's something you're looking out for, fantastic, let's do it together. But if you think you want to be safe, you want to play safe today on NAS, the safest sell entry zone is 120.14. That is 120.14. Okay, that is actually the safest entry today. Okay, I repeat, the safest entry today is range 2 breakout. This is range 1, NAS range 1. Okay, and I think actually I can actually restructure this to get a better output, right? So I'm going to call this range 1 because why? This is a range. This is a range, right? So range 1 is broken out and this is range 2. So this remains our fantastic entry. So the break of this is actually a nice thing to trade. If it breaks here, we make profits from 120.79 to 120.14, which is about 20 pips. I mean 60 pips, sorry, 65 pips, right? 65 pips for one day. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's terrible. It's awesome. It's terribly awesome, guys. It's awesome. Okay. Euro USD refused to come back to our entry point. Let's see. Pushing. Let's see what it's doing, guys. But I have a feeling, not a feeling, I know what is going to happen here is if this 1 hour candle closes like this, so there is a very big possibility for price to actually next candle to open, push up a little bit to this level, and then it's going to give us some nice stuff like this, right? So that is actually our what I'm looking for, right? So it gives us something like this. Then we're going to close partials upon the kiss of this trend line. Then if we close partials, we move our BE to our stop loss to break even for price to continue going down. In case we felt the price did not respect our setup, then it's okay. We've closed partials already, so it doesn't matter anymore, right? So basically, the same setup we have for Euro USD is the same setup we have for NAS. Okay, I hope that makes sense for work music and the Simeon. Simeon, if you are still confused, still let me know. Work music, if you are still not clear, please do not hesitate to punch in something now so I can see that, okay? All right. You're very welcome, Mr. Simeon. Simone, sorry. We have basically a few minutes until few seconds until 1 hour time frame closes. So it simply means that whatever expectation we have for this guy to flip is not going to flip. So let's hope that the next candle that's going to form is just going to come all the way down. Okay, it's because it's just going to drive all the way down, because I've seen this happen a lot of times. Let's believe it's going to be the case now. If we are able to secure a a top wick for this pair, then we can enter the break of its low. Like for instance, let's assume it stops here right now and then moves up to to go and create a wick above. So if it breaks its low right here, then we can take a trade, right? From its low, we just take a trade moving down to 56 pips or more. Okay. I mean, for some of you, if you feel if you feel you just wanna wait for the break of this low, I think it makes sense, right? It makes a lot of sense to wait until it breaks, price breaks this low. But for me, if I can get a wick here, that is, if you look at 1 hour time frame, you're gonna see, even if I just smallest wick, just very small wick here, it means I'm getting my signal, my confirmation, right? If I can get just a small wick as small as this, then I'm getting my confirmation. I'm gonna get in. If I'm not getting any wick, guys, I can't get in because I'm gonna assume it's a trap. I know in 15 minutes this is broken, but it's not a criteria for me. A lot of things gets broken. I can only trade this kind of setup in NYSE open. That is only when I can trade this kind of setup. Apart from that, guys, man, I'm too old to lose. I think price wants to go down, but then we cannot confirm this. This is just a make claim until we get a break of the low, or if I see a wick above and then a break of this low, then it makes sense to take the trade. I don't want to delete these numbers here because it's going to remind me of the plan, which is range 2 breakouts. Get in with everything you have at range 2 breakout. Do not forget, by everything you have, I mean your proper risk management, please. Do not assume you should risk 100% of your accounts. I'm not responsible, please. So my question is, why is Euro USD and NAS so correlated today? They are doing basically the same thing. Basically, they're doing the same thing. Why? Yes, NAS pushing. I'm so much in love with that pushing for NAS. But Euro USD should please create a wick, man. What is this? Okay, guys. So can someone bring up a topic for discussion? Is there something we can browse, check online, and learn together? I think I promised to share something. Just a couple of minutes before NYC open. I hope everyone is ready for this. 24 minutes to go. I'm gonna please ask big news event for Euro on Thursday. They are changing rates after 6 to 7 years. Let's look at this and see how significant is this news. So just for the sake of just for the sake of fulfilling our righteousness, guys, let's just mark out a buy, our target for buys today, because it's actually very vital. Just in case we see a buy, we don't have to start moving around when we're already trading, when we should be focused on trade management. Yeah, I've chosen this point as our final target for buys today. But then looking at the breakout, like the buy signal, buying above here, I mean there's a lot of obstacles here, so I don't know whether we can actually hit that level today. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of noise around here. See, a lot of noise, guys. A lot of noise here. A lot of noise here, guys. Buy is not really a good option today, but we can attempt it to see just in case. There's a lot of noise here, man. It's okay. Let's see. Because I'm just having a feeling this move is not too clean. Why? I'm skeptical about this move because previous 4 hours is still not broken, man. I don't know, for some reasons it's still not broken, so we have to be super careful about it. No, for some reasons it's still not broken, so we have to be careful with ourselves today until this low is broken. Then that's when I'm going to be convinced, like super convinced. Otherwise it's going to be buy Gonna be buy, unfortunately. Damn, this is tough. This is very tough. I'm not asking anyone to buy yet. Please do not forget our trading strategy. We'll wait for NYC open, especially for NAS. But for Euro USD, if we see an opportunity, of course, we're going to seize the opportunity to make some money for Euro USD. But for NAS, we have to wait until NYC open. Okay, so Monday, we're going to Thursday 21. And Thursday, main refinancing rate, okay. Monetary policy. Okay, let's see when last this news was released and see what impact it has on the market. June 9, 2022. Okay, so where is the 7 years here, Mr. BK? I can't see any 7 years. Can't see any 7 years right here. Monetary policy statement, let's see. Still, this was last released on June 9. So I can't see anything strange. It's okay. Perhaps they're going to do that just here. Maybe from, I don't know. Let's see, guys. Let's see. It's nothing strange. Click more. More, okay. I don't know. I don't know, my friend. Can you, it's been 0, okay. Let's see, let's take a critical look at this. Okay, since 2016. My God, I love your deep dive spirit, Mr. BK. That's pretty awesome. Awesome. Let's see, okay. All right. Let's move back one more month to verify this. Just not as if I'm doubting you, Mr. BK, but I wanted to see, how I'm gonna risk coming Thursday to see if we can actually, I get it now. Everything is here. From everything is 0, and what about from this 0, okay? The last change was March. Okay, I get it. Nice. You have a point, BK. Quite impressive. Wow. This is deep diving, guys. We're diving so deep into the ocean. Nice. Hope this actually helps us to catch some fish. Because if it does, it's going to be pretty awesome. So again, let's look at Thursday to see how this will likely impact. Okay, I get it now. Okay, guys, this is actually going to impact just like BK said. Thanks for this piece of information, BK. So let's work in accordance to this news on Thursday. Just book it in your calendars, guys. Okay, thank you very much, BK, for that. From the reaction I see here, Euro USD is trying to flip, but NAS is doing the opposite, right? Yeah, it's showing some signs of flipping. So let's see, we have approximately 70 minutes for NYSE open. Let's wait for a couple of minutes more. Perhaps by 5:25 we give the plans, we give out the plans. We give out the plans for NYSE, but what I don't want is to trade NYSE open for price to just come here and stop, man. This is bullshit, you know what I mean? Anyway, this is what we are going to do, and please call my attention if I'm doing something else, because I may have the tendency to do the opposite. Okay, now okay, now let's make this pretty much obvious, right? So this is just for educational purposes, guys, so do not take it to heart that my candle is not too sexy. All right, guys, let's assume this candle closes this way, okay, and the next candle forms. If it closes this way, and this is the next candle, right? If it forms and creates a lower wick, right, first, and then creates an upper wick, right, at the initial stage. So our plan is, that is assuming this is our new candle, right? Our plan is the break of this high we're going to buy, okay? The break of this low we're going to sell. That is for NYSE open only, okay? So NYSE open is the only confirmation that can make me not to regard this setup. The only confirmation that could make me, or can make me, not to regard this setup, right? So that is the only thing I look up to. But I just have a feeling that it's going to continue. Price is going to continue going down to fill what? To fill this space, thereby making reference to this left hand side where we have clean traffic. Okay, if we're able to fill this week, guys, that is more than enough for one day. So let's see how this actually works out. Sorry if my illustration is very poor. I requested for someone in the team to actually, share something with me, but then nobody's interested. I just want to know the tool that I can use to draw in live stream. That is not Zoom. I don't want to use Zoom. Okay, so if you know any tool I can actually use to draw during my streaming, let me know. I don't want to use Zoom. Okay. The reason why I don't want to use Zoom is because Zoom drives my computer insane, drives my system insane. Zoom works perfectly well if you're using an Apple laptop. What I don't like, not as if I don't have Apple at the moment. So MacBook Air. Wow, this is actually trying to flip. So if it flips, then all my plans are gone. Anyway, for NYSE Open, we're actually focusing on this guy. We're not focusing on Euro USD. So the windows of opportunity we have for Euro USD for now, we're going to focus squarely on NAS, because NAS stock market open, it has nothing to do with this young man, right? This young man, the best time to trade it is 11 a.m. Look at here, 11. This is 11 a.m. candle. Look at 11 a.m. candle, which I told you guys that I caught, right? So just trade it and that's it. If you take this every day, this movement, if you cash it every day, 30 pips every day, you're done. I mean, you don't need to waste your time every day doing something else. Just cash it and that's it. Okay. So let's focus on NAS to see what it has in stock for us. So now, range 1 breakout is here. So the price is now inside range 2. So the question is it going to break out of range 2, or is it going to break back into range 1? Right, that is the question. So let's see. The only reason why I'm going to take buy in this kind of setup is because NYSC is open, and I'm going to take buy only and only if it does what I want it to do. If it doesn't do that, I'm better off without a trade for the day. I say price may gather liquidity around here and drop, just like we have discussed before. That is just what I see, unless smart money guys are actually trying to play some games here. I don't know what it's gonna be, but then in the next 11 minutes, we are approximately 10 minutes now, we all are gonna find out whether smart money guys are gonna play some people full here, trap them, manipulate them, and keep going up, or is gonna just gather liquidity, grab liquidity here, manipulate some people here, and jump down. You never can tell. You don't know what's gonna happen next, right? So that is why you need to get the hell out of every position you have open at this time. Okay, myself, I just close my position. See, I just close it. I have 26 pips open. You can see it right here. So I'm just gonna close it. Okay, it's of no use now. Closed. So that is the best thing to do if you're wise. Even if price decides to go down and I didn't get confirmation, and now that I've closed my position without confirmation and price decides to go down, I'm fine. I'm okay. I don't care. Right, so why is the chat window very angry today, guys? Did you guys lose money today? Seems you guys lost a lot of money today. Normally I get some chats here, with people talking and saying a lot of things. KJ is keeping quiet right here. Work music is keeping quiet. Man, I don't have a lot of people I used to know here. Simeon is keeping quiet, and a lot of other guys. What's happening today, guys? Wow, look at Euro USD, man. This is awesome. This is pretty awesome. But guess what? I'm not gonna use it. I'm not. See, guys, don't get me wrong. This could actually go all the way up, like up, 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 up. Okay, but I don't want to be distracted today by anything. I just want to catch my NAS position and get the hell out. This is looking pretty good, guys. Can you see my steeper wick? My steeper wick is just there, The steeper wick is making a lot of sense. This is pretty nice. So let's assume this actually succeeds. What is the target? Well, I guess today is done. Perhaps we could maximum we can just come over. I think it's still nice. I mean, 79, 80 pips. There's nothing wrong with it. 4 hours actually flipped. It actually flipped, guys. What do you think? Should we take one position? BK, what do you think? Do you think this is tradable? Let's see how many pips. 18 pips. 33 pips. I think that's almost double, right? So what I'm gonna do, guys, please, I'm not suggesting this trade to anyone. It's looking pretty nice, looking so beautiful. This is not to disobey. This is actually part of my strategy. Okay, so I'm not disobeying. I'm not doing anything out of my strategy. But what I'm gonna risk here is just it's gonna be very small. I mean, the break of this 4 hours high, right? I'm going to take a position hoping to catch 33 pips, risking about 19 pips, right? 18 pips, okay, 19 pips approximately. So that's actually what I'm gonna do. This is Euro USD. I'm gonna set this trade and get the hell out of it because I don't want anything that's gonna distract me when I want to take position on NAS, right? So what's it gonna be, guys? Who's gonna take the trade with me? Who's gonna risk the hell out of the cash? Who wants to risk his cash this morning or afternoon or evening? It looks promising, guys, by the way. New to your channel, nice, but I like the way you trade. I like, and I saw, nice, fantastic. Thank you very much, Mr. Sniper ZY Iwe. Ew. Is that Iwe or Ew? Mr. Sniper ZY Ew. Thank you very much for that. Nothing before market open. Market is open, my friend. Okay, New York is open. London is open. What are you saying? Nothing. Well, actually, I'm gonna risk because if I see a trade and if I don't take it, then what makes me a trader? Nothing. I'm just a gambler, right? If I see an opportunity and I don't take it, I'm taking Euro USD, by the way. I'm not taking NAS. Okay, I'm just taking Euro USD, not NAS. Okay. I'm not opening a position yet. I'm just setting a buy stop. Okay. And I'm gonna use, I think, I'm gonna use 0.2% risk. I don't want to risk much here. 0. Okay, so let's see how this plays out. Whether price is gonna do pushing. We have 4 minutes approximately to NYC open. So the question is, what is it gonna be, guys? What is it gonna be? Do you think it's gonna worth it or not? Do not forget, we are waiting for price. Okay, my entry just got triggered. So my stop loss is going to be, sorry guys. So for the fact that my entry is triggered, I'm just going to close my previous point of interest. I'm just focused on this one alone so that I don't have any. I'm risking approximately 19 pips, right? 20 pips, yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay. One thing with all these things is what I saw before was 18 pips, risking 18 pips for 33 pips. Nice, 20 pips for 32 pips. The hell, guys, don't know what the hell is happening. Okay, guys, you can see I'm in. So let's see how this works out. Again, I'm not advising anyone to take the trade with me. I'm just streaming and I'm saying whatever thing I'm doing. So if you feel like you want to do this with me, it's okay. What gave me confidence here is I have a week here, right? There are chances that this price is actually going up to fill this week, and there are chances as well that this guy will go all the way to break this low and break this low and break this low. Okay, do not get it wrong. Okay, this is not gambling, this is strategy. We are applying some strategy trades and some strategy that we've carved out, and it works at least 75 to 80% of the times. Okay, so let's see how this works out. All right. Euro USD is jumping up, making some nice upside, while my good friend NAS is doing the opposite. Again, the plan remains, if the next candle forms, I want to see it move up or move down, give me some wick, go the opposite direction, give me some wick, and then the break of any of the highs or the lows, is what I'm going to trade. Okay, now I'm going to short the hell up. Larona is also in the trade. And work music, what is SL in Euro USD? Oh dears, is it this not too late to opine? SL is 1.01228. 1.01228. That's the SL for Euro USD. Okay, guys, we're about to see some move. We don't know to what direction yet. $11 seconds to go. Do not do anything yet until we agree, please. Okay, first attempt, guys. Now set stop below here. Okay, set stop below here. Oh, it triggered already, so I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Oh god damn it, the price was too fast. I couldn't get in. God damn it, man, this is nonsense. The price was too fast. I couldn't get in. Do not forget, I couldn't get in. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you couldn't get in as well, so please relax. Okay, now let's again try again. Set stop below this level. If price breaks below this level, then we sell. Otherwise, we buy above here. Okay, see what I'm talking about? If we had gotten in, would have been in loss. This is some sort of luck, right? God damn it, man. NAS is insane. It's completely insane, guys. So guys, this is it. Buy stop above here and sell stop below here. That's it. The price is clear now. It's pretty clear. And if I see Euro USD moving, I think it's gonna be a buy. See Euro USD is moving, so I think it's gonna be a buy here. So I've set my buy stop. Oh my god, it's moving, guys. It's pushing. Guys, it's pushing. It's pushing, guys. Yes. Yes. Come on. 44 pips. 44 pips. Okay. So our target is 102 pips. Okay, that's right, there is our target. Do not forget, we have to act very fast, guys. There is a very big possibility that price is just going to hit this line and turn back. Okay, We have to act very fast, like very, very fast. Do not be left behind. Already we are already at 26 pips, so this is 30 pips. 30 pips, we close few positions, okay? Not forget, at 30 pips, we close some positions. When you hear me say close, please do what to close, okay? It makes sense if we listen, okay, guys? Okay, guys, so what do you think about what price is doing right now? Do you think that finished gathering liquidity without us knowing? Because we're expecting price to hit here, to hit this line at least, before moving backwards. I think it finished gathering liquidity, guys. So it's about to trap us, right? What do you think, guys? I'm going to close 50% of my positions in anticipation for price to keep going down. So closing 50% of my positions just to make sure I'm on the safe side, okay? I closed 50% of my positions. Do not hold loss, guys. Please learn how to let go of losses, okay? Learn how to accept and let go. I've closed 50%. I closed 50% of my positions. Let's see. Euro USD is doing pretty well. Do not forget, at 10 pips, we will close partials. 10 pips, 0.1522. So at this level, yes, at this level, we need to close 50%, okay? Euro USD is quite different from NAS. NAS is insane. Euro USD is gentleman's currency, right? So let's see what price is doing. Someone made a comment a few days ago. He said, please, when NYSE opens, keep quiet. Perhaps when I talk a lot, when NYSE opens, it affects the person's thinking or reasoning. So that is why I'm trying as much as possible to keep quiet. I mean, take it slow, okay? If you have closed 50% of your positions in loss, kudos to you because you understand trade management. Very big congrats to you. For those of us who did not close, congrats to you as well for not listening. But on a very good day, you know, you're going to pay the price of disobedience. You're going to understand why I closed 50%. So this is a very good setup, by the way. It's a very fantastic setup, okay? So I think I don't have nothing to worry about this. I just need to look at NAS. NAS is going insane. Officially insane, you know what I mean? So guys, technically looking at NAS now, you see NAS has not picked a direction. Obviously, it hasn't picked a direction. You remember what we normally do when NAS opens is we wait for something like this to form. Once something like this forms, then we pick sides, right? Till now, it has not picked any side. It's just creating some whipsaw, breaking all the lows and breaking all the highs, which is stupid, right? Let me look for something, some sort of, Okay, now, if NAS breaks this low, if this 5 minutes breaks the low of itself, I'm going to close out completely because this is not what I bargained for. All right. If it breaks the low of itself, I'm going to close completely. There's a lot of things happening right here. A lot of things trying to tell us that, we might have chosen a wrong side, right? Even Euro USD is also trying to turn around. Breaking off the low of itself, I'm going to close immediately. I'm not going to waste any time. Already I have my sets, my trades waiting for me to close. Once it breaks, I'm out. Euro USD. Guys, so if you're not confident in this Euro USD, you are not losing yet, you can move out, okay? You're not losing nothing yet. You are free to move out now, okay? I'm not closing my Euro USD trade. I'm good with it. NAS is what is giving me double mind. I don't know what is doing. Oh, it has. Oh, what the hell am I still doing? I'm out, guys. I've closed my NAS positions. I'm out completely because this is not how it should be. You can see what actually happened here in 5 minutes. Smart money played out here. Can you see, guys? Just like BK said, smart money guys, they did some move here. Price gathered some liquidity and jumped the hair down. So let's see. Let's take another position. Just hang on in there, guys. So guys, can you see 4 hours low is broken? The big question is it going to continue breaking it? It has broken it. So is price going to continue going down? We don't know because NAS has not chosen a side. So we better wait. Let's see. Perhaps when 15 minutes closes, we can have a clear direction. Guys, you can see clearly here that NAS played with us today. Markets played us today, right? In NAS, but Euro USD is telling us to calm the hell down, Euro USD is pretty nice. So for Euro USD, we close 10 pips, I mean 50%. See, price has touched our level. So we close out 50% of our positions and move stop loss to break even. So you can clearly see here for my Euro USD, I closed out 50% already. You can see, right? So I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. That is it. So I'm no longer risking anything on Euro USD trade. We are good with Euro USD. NAS is still not choosing a direction, unfortunately. We need to wait for 15-minute closure so that we can see the direction of NAS. I didn't see this coming. I didn't see this coming. I knew this happens most of the times, but I never knew it was going to be today. Still dancing around. No direction still. So is anyone still in NAS trade? May I know please? Do you still have open position in NAS? Respectfully, I don't wanna say any bad words. Is your investment, is your money, is your portfolio? I don't have any business with that, but I just wanted to know. Just curious to know if anyone actually is still in the trade. Because right here, I don't know what this guy is doing. Okay, this doesn't have to do with us. We are good. Okay, guys, price is going up. Up, up, all the way up. All the way up, 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 up. This is what I wanted to happen in 4 hours in Euro USD for 4 hours. If you go to 4 hours, you're going to see this is exactly it formed lower bottom wick, right, and immediately started going up. That is why I said price is going to go up. It's going to go up. It's going to go up in the direction. But I think I'm going to be okay with my Euro USD trade today. It's going to help me make up for the losses I have in this guy. I'm not going to just open any position until I get a better clarity. I love that. Simeon Conley, I love that. It is better to close in loss, at least at the initial stage, than to hold big drawdowns, right? What if this guy continued moving down? Maybe you found price somewhere here. What are you going to do? Nothing. You're just going to cry out your time, you know? So, I mean, I feel comfortable. Even if price goes to the moon from here, I don't care now. Right now, I don't give a dime. Why? Because I've secured my money from getting lost. Just imagine it broke this low and then kept going down. It would have been disastrous, right? So Euro USD is at least giving us something good. So what I'm gonna do is wait to see how this 30 minutes is gonna close. So after the closure, now good thing that happened here is this we are broken. This as well we are broken. So let's see if price closes somewhere here. I just want price to close somewhere here, right? 30 minutes, I mean, okay? If it closes somewhere here, then we're going to wait for a retracement, right? I mean, some sort of price movement to the downside, and then it is going to flip again to continue going up. This is when I'm going to take a trade. Okay, I've lost this one. I'm not going to lose this. I just want to be careful before I get into the second one. So literally, you see, losing this trade, we getting out is nobody's fault because this broke the low, so it wasn't going anywhere initially. But now, I think it has a direction. So let's see. This is actually would have been pretty awesome, but the price was misbehaving. The good thing here, guys, is that we didn't open any sell position. That is the good thing. We saw this whipsaw on time and we avoided it by not opening a second position, right? So I believe we still have our other 1/3 of capital, I mean risk for today, available for the next trade. So guys, we still actually have some fantastic opportunity here. Very nice opportunity right there. 4 hours. That's that 4 hours. You can see how it's playing out. It's playing out so nicely. If it closes with upper wick, I'm gonna just want price to close with upper wick. If it does, then we have opportunity. The next trade, down movement and a flip to fill this. So it makes sense. All you guys need to do is to relax and chill. Woo! Guys, do you see Euro USD? Euro USD is pushing. See that? It's pushing close to our TP, which is pretty awesome. So if I were you, I'm just gonna close additional, not me. If I were you, this is already 20 pips, right? It makes sense if you close additional 25%. For me, I'm not gonna close nothing, but for you, I don't know whether you've lost anything today, or perhaps if you are not happy with your loss in NAS, it makes sense if you just close 25% more, so that just in case this flips, the candle flips, you're not going to be worried. Okay, I'm just saying that respectfully. I'm not saying that anybody has lost nothing today. See, this NAS is stupid, very stupid. Good thing is, it has again gone crossed the previous week's high, which is a very nice indication that if this 4 hours closes in the next 8 minutes this way, particularly this way, the break of this high, I'm going to buy like crazy, not minding these obstructions here, distractions and obstructions. I'm going to just buy. So BK, we were hoping for liquidity gathering at the upper side for price to continue moving down, but then we got caught up in the liquidity gathering the opposite way. Anyway, that's part of trading. What matters right now is that we dismissed our losses on time. So just a reminder, guys, please do like the stream. Do like the stream, please. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. At least it goes a long way to motivate us to do more. Okay, do like the stream, please. Do aware to like the stream, please. So I was actually expecting this candle to flip all the way down, but then I guess it's doing the opposite. Let's see. We don't know what's happening yet. If everyone on this stream likes this video, believe me, this video is gonna get to additional at least 1,000 more people just on their homepage. So please, unless you don't like us to increase our numbers, go ahead and like the stream, please. Okay, I like what I see here. These 50 pips, I'm gonna diligently take it. These 50 pips, humbly, I'm gonna take it. Humbly take it. It's a fantastic stuff right there. In the next 4 minutes, now Euro USD, you don't need to fumble now. You need to keep moving. You know what I mean? I don't want pullback. Just keep moving. You see what I told you? So, if you know you lost money in the first trade and you still have this open without at least closing some partials, I wonder what you're waiting for. Do you want to lose everything before you react? Something tells me that price is going to turn around. Something just tells me. That thing keeps telling me that price is just going to turn around. I don't know why. But let's see. Okay. The high is broken. Yes, previous 4 hours high is as well broken. But then the issue here right now is its low, previous candle's low is also broken. So this is a battle of the bears and the bulls. We need to have a winner before we get in. Let the guys, market makers fight. When they are done fighting, then we can get in and profit, right? If you get in, you become liquidity. You become the liquidity. So allow them to finish fighting, okay? Then we can make some profit. I'm gonna mute myself for a while, guys. When I do something very important. So guys, I don't know what is gonna happen next in the market. So what I'm gonna do is to close out. I need to close out. I've closed everything. Why is it not showing? Nice. I've closed everything. So the money came in. I don't wanna leave it to go out to get back to the guys I stole it from. I didn't steal it, right? No, I didn't steal it. I made the money, I didn't steal the money, right? So I've closed this trade. If you still have it on, yeah, as long as your strategy asks you to leave it on, it's okay. Leave it on for me. I've closed it. At least I've made the important profit from it and I'm done. So we're about to see another 4 hours form. We have a lot of lines open, guys. A lot of lines are here, and it's really so irritating. So I'm just gonna close some lines. Oh, better still, let me leave it. It's okay. Pushing, pushing. Really, I think I'm just gonna close Euro USD. I'm done with Euro USD for today. I don't know, I don't know what the hell it's forming right now. So let's see if I can be able to decipher the code. This looks very promising, but honestly speaking, is a no-no. It is a no-no. I'm just gonna leave it open, but abandoned. Sandaruwan Patirana. Hello, Rana. Thanks for subscribing. Nice to have you on board. Okay. Just what I was waiting for, guys. Let's look at our 30 minutes and see. So, guys, do you see what's happening now? Oh my God, why am I losing there? Guys, I'm buying. I'm buying, guys. One more buys. If it fails, kalas, I'm done for the day. I'm buying again. Let's see how it plays out. I'm buying again, guys. I'm buying. It's pushing, it's pushing. Please make sure you're not buying because I'm buying, okay? Make sure your strategy says you should buy so. So I don't have to blame Kingsley. Man, today is a very nice day. We keep getting small stop losses, which is nice, you know. The other one was very low, and this is 38 pips. This is awesome. Euro USD, what are you doing? Oh, I promise I better close this guy. It's distracting me, alright? Let's focus on the real thing. 1 hour. Yes, so this is actually what we are doing now. We bought here just for little profit, 55 pips. If it goes and hit my stop loss of, I thought this was just 38 pips now. What happened? Should be 38 pips, please. Yes, 38 pips. Yeah, it's fair. Once I get these 55 pips, guys, I'm done. I don't want to force anything today. Today looks like it's just a day of liquidity grab everywhere, up and down. On the other hand, if I lose it, I'm done for the day as well. The pips is just 38 pips. It's nothing to worry about. It's nothing compared to what we cash in one day, right? So we deal with it. Then tomorrow we can make up. Okay. I think mine is actually 34 pips. That's nice. Mine is showing 34 pips. I got in a little bit early. Should we have waited for price to break above this high? My answer, yes, we should have waited for price to break above this high. At least, why? In as much as this candle has broken above this and closed bearish, it makes sense to wait for the high to be broken, right? Because it broke this low as well. So that's a learning for me, learning for you, for future reference, guys. Oops, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Thanks for the trades and knowledge. Appreciate it very much. See you tomorrow. Big run away today. Let's see. Is it gonna hit this stop loss now? It's most likely gonna hit it, guys. I think I'm done for the day, guys. I'm done. If you want, please go ahead and close your trades if you want. Okay. For me, I think I want, and I'm closing my trades already. I'm done for the day. See you guys tomorrow. Today is not a good day for us at all, guys. Okay, guys, see you guys tomorrow. Today is Monday, start of the week. So by Wednesday, by Thursday, perhaps we could make 3 times of whatever thing we lost today. See you guys. At least our Euro USD today was very successful one. So everyone that joined us today, thanks for joining. See you guys, everyone. I hope to see all of you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.